Hello and welcome to Cook Security Group, Cook Command Center tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to view existing projects and create a new project. When logging into Cook Command Center, you'll come to this view. This is your view of all your locations, and up above you'll see 4 interactive tabs: Locations, Security Open Service Orders, ATM Open Service Orders, and Preventative Maintenance Service Orders. These are all interactive, so if you needed to, you could click into these. On the left-hand side, you'll see your menu icon. We're going to log into the Customer View tab and click into the projects. This is where you're going to see all of your projects. So as you can see, there's locations that you can filter by and statuses. So you can view finished or in process. Today we're going to view in process. Once you click Go, you'll see all of your in-process projects. You can export, you can request a quote up at the top right-hand corner, put a brief description of what project you'd like to have quoted, click Send, and it'll send to a project manager. To view current or in-process projects, you simply click under the Action menu, click View Detail. From there, you'll see project ID, the stage, the start date, and the actual start date. You'll see the type of project, the project name. You can actually email the project manager directly from here. You'll also see the associated address for the project. Coming down, you'll see project notes, you'll see tech notes, and you'll also see the technician that's assigned to the particular case. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.